Wow. Another poodle. TikTok. From TikTok. Blue lining. Bakit pa hindi naman to blue? It's a green lining. Bakit naman? Bako blow. Bakit pa hindi blow? Okay. Oh, not gonna available. Okay man. Cute. Okay naman ni receiving blanket. 68 pesos. 65. Ano siya? Diba? It's a receiving blanket. Okay na ni. Baka ako to sa mall, 300. Ayaw, 65. Cute. Order taliwa.